Hi, I'm Chris from Vertiv, and I have just received a new HMX8000 boxes, a transmitter and a receiver. And I will do unboxing for you so that you will know what you will get. So let's start with the transmitter itself. So what we have in the box? First of all, an envelope, and in it we have a quick installation guide, a rack mount quick installation guide, and some warranty information. Then we have a device itself. So in this time, this is a transmitter. So we will transmit a keyboard video mouse over a distance. Then we have a display port cables. Two of those because this is a dual head transmitter. Also audio cables if we want to transmit an audio, and of course a USB cables since we want to transmit a keyboard and mouse signals as well. And finally we have a power supply so that we can power this transmitter. And that's it in the box. Okay, so we have done unboxing of the transmitter. So now let's focus on the receiver, so the other part of the KVM extender. Let's see what we have in this box. Again, we have envelope. In this envelope, we have quick installation guide, rack mount guide, and some warranty information about the device. Then we have the device itself. So this time it is a receiver. We also have a power supply so that we can power this receiver. We don't have any cables because we will connect a mouse, a keyboard and a monitor directly to the receiver, so we don't need them. So thank you for this unboxing. In the next video I will try to show how we can use this KVM extender to transmit a 4K resolution video from a computer to the monitor over a short distance, just as a proof of concept, using a fiber connection. Thank you.